Hi guys, so the kids didn't have school today, so obviously they had a play date because I kind of promised them to have a play date, so let's go see how they're doing. They're upstairs. Oop. Okay, we're here, but it's my room, so they're gonna go upstairs again. We're finally here. OMG. Lily, you keep on reading, good girl. Mom, I'm studying, it's for homework. Oh, right. And also, Lydia had a test today, so she needs extra studying. Yeah, extra studying. Boring studying. Excuse me, Lydia. Did you just say boring studying? Oh, no. Studying's very fun indeed. Good. Now, I'm gonna go check on your sisters. Ruby! Hi, Ruby. How's everything going? It's going great. Thanks, Mom. Uh-oh. Do you need any cookies or milk or something? Anything you want to eat? We all want some cookies and some nut cookies. So what do you want? Oh, right. We want a sandwich, actually. Please, we're really hungry. We've been playing here for a while. Sure. I'll go bring you something to eat. Okay, let me just go downstairs. Perfect. I'm not in the mood for doing anything right now, so let me just grab my phone and order something. And plus, it's like super rainy over here. So yeah, it's gonna get a little bit cold now. But inside it's like warm, but I don't know why I'm wearing a crop top instead of like, that's not the weather. So yeah, let me just go make something. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have some fish. Ooh, we have a lot of vegetables. What if I cut some pineapple, actually? Uh-oh, I think I accidentally cut. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. 2 pineapples now. Yay. And we'll probably have some orange and some strawberry salad, I guess. Okay, I'm done doing the snacks. I'm just gonna calm them down now.